Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will see how to find from the given autocorrelation function the mean value, mean square value and variance of the given random process. In the last video we have solved similar problem, but the way the autocorrelation function is given is slightly different. So we have to solve in a slightly modified manner. We will use the same properties, but we have to rewrite the autocorrelation function so in order to use those properties. So here the given autocorrelation function will divide in both numerator and denominator with tau square so that tau will go into the denominator. So for finding the mean value we have to substitute tau is equal to infinity. So if you divide both numerator and denominator with tau square will go to numerator. So 36 by tau square. Similarly, the denominator also, if we divide with tau square 4 by tau square. So this will be tau square will get cancelled here. So it will be 25 plus 36 by tau square plus 625 plus 4 by tau square. So this is the autocorrelation function after dividing with tau square in both numerator and denominator. So what is the property that we have? We can get mean value square by simply substituting mod tau, or tau tends to infinity rxx of tau. So that is equal to limit tau tends to infinity 25 plus 36 by tau square by 625 plus 4 by tau square. Now if it tau tends to infinity, this term becomes 0 and this term also becomes 0. So x mean value square will be simply 25 by 625. So it will be 1 by 25. That implies if we take square root, if we take square root on both sides, then we'll get mean value will be simply mean value x will be 1 by square root of 25 will be 1 by 5. So this is the mean value of the given random process. Next we have to find mean square value. Mean square value we have seen it was given by expectation of x square of t, which is nothing but we substitute in the autocorrelation function the value tau is equal to 0. We will get expectation of x square of t, which is nothing but mean square value. So the given autocorrelation function is 25 tau square plus 36 by 625 tau square plus 4. Now in this if we substitute tau is equal to 0, it will be 36 by 4 because this term becomes 0 and similarly this term also becomes 0. So 36 by 4 means this will be 9. So the mean square value expectation of x square of t, x square of t is 9. X square of t is 9. So now we have mean value and we'll have mean square value also. We can find variance. Variance is nothing but expectation of x square of t minus expectation of x of t. Expectation of x of t. Sorry, slide. Expectation of x of t whole square. We have just now find mean square value, which is 9. Expectation of x of t, our mean value is simply 1 by 5. So if we square, we will get 1 by 25. So if we take LCM, 25 into 9 minus 1 by 25. So if we simplify, we will get around 8.96. Our 1 by 25 is nothing but, this is nothing but 0.04. So 9 minus 0.04 is nothing but 8.96. So the variance value is 8.96. So the mean value is 1 by 5 and mean square value is 9 and sigma x square variance value is 8.96. So these are the three values that we were asked to find from the given autocorrelation function. So these are the final answers. So for this, we should know these three formulas. One is the variance, how the variance is given. If you know the mean value and mean square value, we can find variance simply by subtracting mean square value by taking square of the mean value. So this is one formula, and from the autocorrelation function we can find mean square value by simply substituting tau is equal to 0. By simply substituting tau is equal to 0, we can find mean square value, and mean value we can find mean value square we can find by simply substituting tau is equal to infinity from the autocorrelation function. Tau is equal to infinity in the autocorrelation function. So I hope everyone is able to understand this problem, how we have solved. So we have used the properties of the autocorrelation function. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for